It's Dumpy the monkey. Today Dumpy explores the ocean. Listen to the waves. Waves crashing. So powerful. Look. Seashells. A starfish. The ocean is amazing. The ocean has many creatures. Respect the water. Dumpy loves the ocean. Bye bye everyone. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.